Swearing and gestures running down the hall, not directed towards someone, to me is a general disruption. You're swearing in the hall, you're doing things, you're saying things. Our job is to say, stop, we're in school. Language, we're in school. Language, we're in school. I use those 3 words, that's part of one of my scripts. We're in school. Because one thing we know we can't do is we can't change what's happening outside of school. We can't go to their homes, and we've got to stop complaining about saying, oh, whatever I do gets disrupted, because when they go home, it gets undone. We don't have any control over that, so let it go. The best thing you can do is when a child comes through the door, they're running down the hall, a bunch of F-bombs are dropping, whatever. I can say, hey, we're in school. Don't do it. That's it. We're in school. However, if the child swears at me or another person, the gesture is directed, derogatory language or gesture directed towards another person, that's when we've crossed over the disrespect line. That's when we've gone to what I might consider that little higher level of problem area. So it's no longer just a general disruption, it becomes disrespect because disrespect is so personal.
Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.